Hello everybody, it's just Mrs. Alecki to kind of give you a quick little update about what you need to know to complete your economics course on time. A lot of you guys are graduating this year. Yay! Well, with your graduation, you do have to have things finished. So I'm going to look right over here at May 1st. If you look at the calendar, this is when you have to have your coursework done. So what's important is to know how much time you have to complete the course. So I'm making the recording today on Valentine's Day. So here's my Valentine's Day gift for you. But I just have a calendar here for you to look at. And you're watching the video, you can hit the pause button and you can count for yourself if you're starting at a different date. But let's say you started February 13th. What I'm going to do is count how many weeks that you'd have. So I'm going to go to the 18th here. That's 1 week, 2 weeks, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And then of course a couple days before the May 1st. So 11 weeks and 2 days as of today to finish the course, which is a pretty short period of time, considering economics is usually completed in 16 to 18 weeks. That means you really have to work at an accelerated pace. So I'm going to bring you into your course. Let's see if I can do this well. There we go. And we'll take a look at where you might find your pace chart. And it's over here with those buttons. Even expand this a little bit. Go over here so you see the full screen. So once you click on this drop down button, these are all the ways to maneuver around the course. You may or may not have noticed this where it says pace under course information. Now this is for everybody. Whenever you start, it doesn't really matter. But what we're going to do is we're going to do this individualized pace planner, and there's a regular one and an honors one. So you pick. But I'm going to go to individual planner. Alright, Marcy, that's me. I have to finish the entire course, and I know I have to be finished by May 1st. I probably should pick it from here. Remember, May 1st lets you finish in time so I can get your grades to your school for graduation. You can't finish the day you're going to graduate, it won't work. So you want to make sure you're done 2 weeks before your graduation date. Here we go. You can either print it, but this is pretty heavy right here. If you're starting right now, it's late in the year, so there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 assignments right here. That's in week 1, and it breaks it down to February 21st through February 27th. So again, it's up to you to put your start date in there, your end date in there, I'm sorry. If I went back and you were an honors student, it's going to look exactly the same way. You put your name in here, the end date of May 1st, and hit go. You're going to end up with a pace chart for honors assignments. I'm not going to kid, this is not an easy thing to do, but it's also not impossible. And the beautiful thing is the end of all of this, you get to graduate. So it's definitely worth the work. You need to spend about 1 hour per assignment. So if it's 6 assignments a week, then you're looking at 6 hours. And it even tells you right here. It tells you how many hours, how many weeks, and what assignment. And this breaks it down, noticing that with economics, the first one, it only takes you 15 minutes. The second one, 30 minutes. So that's why you have more than the 6 in here. But these right here are taking 90 to 60 minutes. That's where you're getting your hours in. So this pace chart is a great tool to keep you on track to make that deadline, that you are ready for your graduation date. Now, let's say you don't really worry so much about walking with your class. You're not going to go through the commencements with the cap and gown. The course itself still closes out May 31st. It does not run over the summer, so you would have a few more weeks, but at the same time, you have to still finish before the end of the school year. If you have any questions or concerns, give me a call. Bye-bye.